Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So how you can shrink your drive volume? Okay, so let me explain it. Okay, so whenever you use your PC, you can see you have only one C drive. Okay, I have also one C drive. Okay, so maximum people think if I have one more drive, what? Okay, so let's create one more drive here. Okay, so from this we will create another drive. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, you can see this my PC icon. Okay, right click on this my PC icon and go to show more option. Okay, here you can see the second option, manage. Click on manage, and now you can see the computer management. Okay, so open the disk management option here. Okay, so click on disk management. Here you can see the disk management. Okay, so this is your C drive. Okay, so this is your C drive. You can see here and you can see here. Okay, so right click on your C drive and go to the shrink option. Okay, shrink volume. Okay, so here I am going to create 2 GB shrink volume. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so let's suppose 2. Okay, so here I'm going to create approximate 2 GB shrink volume and I'll click shrink. Okay, this is counting in MB and I have selected 2759 MB. Okay, and click on shrink volume. When you click on shrink volume, it will create another drive from your C drive. Okay, so it will take a little bit time and maybe it will be restart. Okay, so click on it, shrink. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, now you can see we have created another shrink volume. Okay, you can see here, okay, you can see here 2.69 GB unallocated space. Now we can create another drive letter. Okay, so right click on it and new simple volume. Click on new simple volume and next. Okay, it asked me for drive letter. I'll go with E. Okay, and next and finish, and now you have a extra drive volume. Okay, so extra drive volume you have now. Okay, so we move some of space from here to here and we create a new drive space. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for being here. Okay, goodbye.